On my count, here we go. And that officially marks the opening of the first exclusive XIAOMI store right here at home. Right, so we would only limit the access for the moment for the dignitaries as we prepare for yet another important segment in our opening today. And to speak a few words, I would like to invite Mr. Ken Wong, the country head for XIAOMI in Sri Lanka, and he is going to share a few words with us before we all walk in and experience this amazing store.
What an amazing day. So we are so excited. So Abans finally bring the inclusive store to Sri Lanka. So as you know, Xiaomi's mission is always delivering innovation, high technology to the world. So we are so excited. Abans play a key role to bring the technology to Sri Lanka. Thank you, Abans. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, Pepita. And thank you, Abans, the founder. So really thanks for you bring the Xiaomi to Sri Lanka. So it's the first exclusive store in Sri Lanka. We hope we can bring more product to Sri Lanka in the future. I hope you guys have a good experience in our first exclusive store today. Thank you, everyone.
Himself, Mr. Ken Wong, the country head for Sri Lanka, and he has certainly brought you something to think of as you walk right in to the premises. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to waste any more time. We will be presenting that in a few moments. Now it is more invitation for all of you to walk in to this exclusive show while you experience the historic moment with your bare eyes. A token of appreciation courtesy the one a small yes, an appreciation to hosting an exclusive XIAOMI store for the first time in Sri Lanka. So congratulations to the team.
Thanks a lot.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our formalities, and as I mentioned before, we have a few prizes to be given away. So to the ones who have ordered the 17T phone, there will be a presentation.